Hey guys, Adam here. Today I'm going to show you how to use Calendly to schedule a meeting. First of all, you have to open your Calendly on your browser. I'm using the web version. Click on the top left corner, this arrow. It will expand the navigation, and then you have to click on Create. You will get three options. You have to select one-off meeting. Click on it. A new page will open. From here you can set the duration of your meetings, either 15 minutes, 30 minutes, 45, or you can also create custom. I will create 30 minutes. And then I will click on Next. From here you will see dates on which you can create times. For example, I will select Add Times. And automatically my meetings have been added from here. I can still change the duration of my meetings from 30 minutes to 45 minutes. Or if you want to delete a meeting, you can click on here, Selected Times, and also delete your meetings. After you're done on this page, you have to click on Next. From here you have to select a title of your meeting, which you can also call the name of the meeting. From here you have to select the location of your meeting, for example a phone call or a Zoom meeting, or you can also browse other options. Select the option and then you have to scroll down a bit and select Share Meeting Link. Calendly will provide you a link. You have to copy the link. It will be automatically copied to your clipboard, and then you can share this link with your clients. And that's how you can use Calendly to schedule a meeting. If you find this video helpful, please hit the like button and subscribe.